Hi, I'm there. Welcome to WannaGoBiking. I am in Lenzen and this is going to be my 11th day on the bike, following the Elbe trail. Sort of. I'm not following it exactly, I don't think. Been a lot of fun so far, so I hope this day is no different. I'm going to cycle about 85k today to Boizenburg. And again, no idea what to expect, so let's just see what's out there. Alright, see you later. Well, I've just learned that that alley over there, or actually that road over there, was chosen the alley of the year in 2020. So it's just a small detour, so I might just as well take it and see what all the fuss is all about. All right, let's ride through the alley of the year 2020. Ah yeah, there you have it. Alley des Jahres. So, die Citadel of domitz. Well, I'm about 5k from Hitzacker and hopefully a coffee, because I haven't had any today, and I thought I'd stop in domitz, but the coffee place I could find only opened a bit later, so I decided to carry on. Well, I think Hitzacker is big enough for it to have some coffee, and there should be a cycle kiosk here along this way as well, so maybe I can find something there. Other than that, splendid day, slowly moving forward. That's the plan. See ya. Oh, that would have been so nice, but it's a Monday. Oh, okay. 5.5 to Hitzacker then. There's no other way. Okay, los geht's. That is one happy dwarf with a giant ice cream, gelato. I love it. Good. I think there's more dwarfs over there, so let's check them out. Here we have two Fisher dwarfs. Absolutely lovely. Well done. Well, that one speaks volumes. Another happy dwarf. Well, I really have to say, Germany really is dotted with beautiful little villages, and such a nice surprise, Hitzacker. Right, let's see if we can catch a ferry. See if I have more luck with a ferry today. Hope so. It's a nice route so far. It's just a bit more of the same, all these dike roads. The last couple of days, very nice and secluded from traffic, of course, so that's a big plus, but they do catch a lot of wind, and wind is not in my favor anymore. Then again, can't complain. I think 7 out of 9 days or 8 out of 10 had a tailwind, so yeah. Last couple of days are going to be headwinds. Well, I think I can safely say this is a fantastic ride for everybody, really. Any kind of fitness. It's predominantly flat, of course, so it's ideal for families, as the routes are very much secluded from main roads. I've taken quite a few main roads because I wanted to take some shortcuts and stuff, but I think if you follow the route to the T, then well, you should be fine. The only thing sometimes is that the surface can be a bit gnarly, but yeah, if your tires are wide enough, then there should be no problem there either. We've got only a day and a half left, actually, so yeah, it's a shame, but oh well, we'll come up with something next after this one. Still have to make it though. 35k left to Boizenburg, and hopefully an ice cream. That would be nice. See you later. Well, look at the sheer numbers here. It's the whole iron border, 1393 kilometers separating eastern and western Germany. 290 kilometers of minefields. Christ. I don't think I'm a fan of dictatorial regimes. I've never seen them come up with anything good for the world. Another one of these old relics, a control post. What awful man comes up with a plan like this? It's got to be a man though. Oh. I think I may have passed 3 state lines, Bundesländer here today. I think I started off in Brandenburg, went over to Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, and also touched on Niedersachsen. First time I'm certain I've cycled in Brandenburg and Mecklenburg-Vorpommern. Niedersachsen I've done plenty of cycling, of course. Well, it's another 7k to Boizenburg and another 1 or 2, I think, to my lodging for tonight. Yeah, hopefully Boizenburg is a bit lively, has a few cafes, a few options, but we'll see. At any rate, I hope you enjoyed this video as well, and give it some thumbs up if you can. I'll see you in a next video, I hope. Until then, enjoy your rides and stay safe out there. Tschüss! Moin! So here we are, Boizenburg. I think the only ice cafe here is closed. It's a Monday, so well, then a lemonade or a coffee. Hopefully.